to make love.
Let's go.
I saw you walking in the street and I had to stop. Turn up my radio and I drop my top. I say you look so good and you're so fine. You're tender. Would you be mine? I get you in my car, drive you to my house, cause I'm a Mac. I call Target out, I won't ask. And the show won't beg, I just reach right over and rub your leg. I let my hands slide between your mini skirt. Slip a finger in your panties, straight go to work. What time is it? Don't watch the clock. Lay back, baby darling, I'll rock the clock. Funky fresh I am and I always can. Freak nasty. I'm the man, I'll take you out to the finest restaurant. I'll buy you any damn thing that you want. You want flowers? I'll buy your ass a rose, but later on you're coming out in pantyhose. You want gold? Girl, what's next? It's me and you doing the sex. So now you know I'm just a freak. Give it up, baby, I can't wait 2 weeks, I want it all. And don't say I won't get it, girl. Now I'm telling you, don't do it. Don't fight that feeling, bitch. It's a true story. Too Short talks a lot of shit. But remember this, if you come to a Too Short show and you get mad, you know what I'm gonna say, right? What am I saying? Bitch! Get mad if you want, cause I won't front, and when it's time to fuck, I won't be no punk. I roll these hoes over and tap the blood. Too Short, baby, all in the gut. I'm not your ABC from the alphabet. Every letter I write to get your pussy wet. It's just a freaky note from me to you. And at the bottom I signed it, Playboy 2. I'm a player, bitch, I thought you knew. Like every other nigga in my crew, I bump hoes. Now it's your turn. Tell me, young Tinder, when will you learn? I go mad like bitch, you know. I won't sell you dope, won't sell you blow. Just your average everyday straight bumper, bitch. My gold rings, couple spit. Look, baby, you know what I want? You acting like it's that time of the month. Are you bleeding? You can't think about sex? We don't need to kiss, we don't have to fuck. I pull out my dick, bitch, you can suck. Now here, don't say I won't get it, girl. Now I'm telling you, don't do it. Don't fight that feeling, bitch. Yeah. I don't give a fuck if every bitch in LA is bleeding right now. I'm still gonna get my dick sucked. All the homies that agree with me say, bitch. Yeah, man. These little hoes got ill. So now it's time to get way too real. I know she never had a real dick. She need to quit talking that childish shit. You want a ring hoe? Go get your bank hoe. My little dick will have you screaming up. Cause when it comes to sex, she don't know what's up. You still playing that finger fuck? See, I'm a grown man. I bust some young cock out. I like big butts, not big mouths. I know some little girls that bring me down to bed, pull my dog down, and give me some head, little girl. You wanna have some fun? You better go to Magic Mountain, cause you're way too young. So at this point, I really can't say shit. I ain't dropping no lines to just call you a bitch. Don't fight the feeling, bitch. We didn't come up to Universal.